In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello account. By the end, you'll have a brand new account ready to use and you'll understand each choice you see along the way so nothing is confusing. Start by opening your web browser and going to Trello.com. On the home page, look toward the top right corner for the button that says Get Trello for free. Click that and you'll be taken to the sign up page. Trello runs on Atlassian accounts, so it's normal if you see Atlassian branding here. You have two main ways to get started. The first is to sign up with an email address. If you choose that, type in an email you can access right now and double check for typos. Then click the sign up button to continue. Atlassian may send a confirmation or show a brief setup screen. Just follow the on-screen prompts. This route is great if you want a standalone login that isn't tied to another service. The second way is to use a single sign-on option, which can be faster. You can continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. These options let you use an account you already trust, and you won't need to remember a separate password for Trello. If your workplace manages your Google or Microsoft account, you might see your organization's sign-in page. Just sign in as usual. Let's walk through the Google option as an example. Click Continue with Google. A window will open asking you to choose a Google account. Select the account you want to use for Trello. If prompted, review the permissions and confirm, then click Continue. You'll be redirected back and Trello will finish creating your account in the background. A few quick tips while this loads. If you went with email, keep an eye on your inbox in case a verification link is required before you can fully sign in. If you used any single sign-on option, remember which service you picked so you come back to Trello the same way next time. And if you're on a shared or public computer, be sure to sign out of your identity provider when you're done to keep your account secure. Once the sign-up completes, you'll land in Trello. That's it. Your account is created. From here, you can explore your workspace, personalize your profile, and start organizing tasks on boards whenever you're ready. Thanks for following along and enjoy using Trello to keep your projects on track.